Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice movement today. Still work to be done, but the price is, continuing to kind of just creep itself higher and higher. And, the easiest way to kind of see that is these lows just keep getting higher than the previous ones. And if you picture those as stair steps, you can see in the very near term, got some nice little stair steps here. And then you have the backdrop of context of the nicely increasing purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. And even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you're aware that when you have a nice increasing 50-period moving average, when the price is up above it, that just implies that the overall trend is definitely still in the bull's favor. And that's what we have here. So I mean, like I said, from the support standpoint, you got the higher lows, you have the increasing 50-period moving average, but then I also made the comment that there's still work to be done. So what is this quote-unquote work that needs to be done? Well, the first key area that needs to be focused on, and this is a level that is not some sort of great discovery on my part, or I don't want to come across like this is some sort of revolutionary discovery. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics, and going forward, that is what this level up here at the $1.95 represents, is definitely a key level that the price has struggled to get up above. I mean, it was rejected a few days ago, and then you can see today, this afternoon, once again rejected at that level. So a lot of people have taken notice and are now going to be wondering, hey, can the price actually break through that level? So that's going to be a key breakout point going forward. So in the event the price can break through that level, I do want to map out where some next potential areas of resistance may be. And I get it, the chart's harder to see here, but that's a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. So if that $1.94, $5.95 area can be broken, then the next key area is not until right up there, slightly up above the $2 mark. So next couple of levels right there, but definitely an interesting dynamic going forward. And like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering this on Wednesday. So if that happens, then you would think that there's shorts that got some stop losses up there that'll cause some buying. And then you just simply have the breakout players that would be looking to buy. So it would not be shocking at all to see a pretty momentum-filled breakout if the price can get through that area. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.